Founded in 1972, Hyundai Heavy Industries turned a little fishing town into one of the busiest cities in Korea. And became a globally renowned integrated heavy industries company with the world's #1 shipyard. The world's leading heavy industries company, Hyundai Heavy Industries. We seek to increase value creation for customers with our diversified business portfolio. As the world's leading shipbuilder, we have a wide-ranging product mix, which enables us to cater to the comprehensive needs of our customers. We deliver ships in a timely manner through a differentiated quality assurance system and make a proactive and efficient response to the market and customer needs by developing new types of eco-friendly, highly efficient ships. As one of the most experienced EPCI contractors in the world, Hyundai Heavy Industries has provided impeccable services on a turnkey basis for a broad range of offshore projects. We provide high-quality and cost-efficient solutions for offshore oil and gas development projects. We undertake a wide array of industrial plant projects on a turnkey basis, leveraging our abundant experiences and differentiated engineering capabilities. Hyundai Heavy Industries represents 35% of the global two-stroke marine engine market with the state-of-the-art production facilities. We produce all ship propulsion systems in-house and seek to enhance our standing as a leading integrated machinery maker in not only industrial but also power generation machinery sector. Hyundai Heavy Industries aspires to be the best business partner in power generation business, from residential to high-tech industrial sites. As an integrated electrical equipment manufacturer with a worldwide network of engineering, production, and R&D, we offer comprehensive solutions for the electric sector. Produced with the state-of-the-art construction equipment manufacturing system, Hyundai Heavy Industries construction equipment is highly acclaimed by international clients. With the outstanding technological prowess, we make utmost effort to build construction equipment that satisfies customers with various needs and ensure prompt after-sales services and a seamless supply of components. We manage eco-friendly renewable energy business based on our distinct competitiveness. We continue to develop core technologies to secure technological competitiveness and to maximize customer value. By focusing on developing market-oriented technology, we have consistently supplied many of the market-leading products. The synergy between each business division is our powerful competitiveness. We offer products and services that inspire customer confidence and satisfaction. based on our firm adherence to HSE standards, stringent quality control, and sustained R&D efforts. We provide consistent, high-quality products and services to our customers in compliance with our quality management, focused on maintaining the global market leadership with the best quality products and services. Systematic management of health, safety, and environment is our #1 priority. We have actively developed and adopted environment-friendly and risk-mitigating measures to ensure safety and convenience at the workplace. Ulsan City, where Hyundai Heavy Industries is located, is the second hometown for our expatriate clients. Hyundai, which means modern in Korean, has become a synonym for the city of Ulsan, where a huge proportion of its citizens work at Hyundai Heavy Industries. We organize various client support activities to make sure that expatriate clients and their families can feel at home in Ulsan.